Congratulations on your new vehicle. We're excited to have you as part of our Subaru family. Getting a new car is exciting and overwhelming, but that's where I step in. My name is Makayla, and I'm a delivery specialist here at Peltier Subaru. Come with me to learn a few tips and tricks on your Crosstrek. Let's go. Now that we're inside your Crosstrek, let's go over a few basic things. First thing is always phone pairing. So on our phone, we're gonna go to settings, we'll go Bluetooth and scroll all the way down. On here, we're gonna go to manage devices. We're going to add, and we're gonna look for Crosstrek to pull up on our device. So here's Crosstrek, and there's gonna be a number. Make sure they are the same, pair, allow. And now the Bluetooth connection is gonna work together and make sure that the phone is paired with the car. Once that comes up, you will get a question of Apple CarPlay if you have an iPhone, or Android Auto if you have an Android or Google phone. So now that we have our Connect to CarPlay, we will connect. On the car, it'll ask the same question. You say yes, no. And now it's going to have a special Wi-Fi signal between the car and the phone, and your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is now gonna pop up. All right, and now we have beautiful Apple CarPlay. Another question we get is valet mode. Well, what is valet mode? If we turn this on here, let's put a simple passcode, confirm it again, and it grays out all of the buttons. So if anybody is driving your car and you don't want them to have any access to your information, they won't. And we can click on every one and see it doesn't. If we want to turn valet mode off, just click here, enter your passcode, and it turns everything right back on. All right, awesome. So now let's go through auto vehicle hold, or AVH. So that is your button right here. And AVH, or auto vehicle hold, is basically going to be a brake hold or brake rest for you. It's a convenience feature, and it's basically when you are at a red light or through a drive-through and you don't want to keep your foot on the brake, you just turn that on and it holds it for you. The way you activate it or deactivate it is just by pressing on the brake or on the gas. Okay. And if we don't want the auto vehicle hold, but we also don't want our engine to randomly shut off when we're idling at a red light, this right here turns the auto start stop off. And the way you know it's off is there's no green light, and this has an orange symbol that says A off. All right. Okay, so now we're going to get into our home link. So if you have a garage at home and you have the garage door opener with you, you have these three buttons that are going to be underneath your rear view mirror, and this little house and orange light is going to pop up. You have that garage door clicker 2 inches away. Press the button that you want to hold it to, and it'll have a green light, and that's how you know that it'll be connected. Of course, test it at home if you're doing this at home, or if you're doing it at the dealership, just make sure you double check when you get home that the garage door opener and your car is going to be fully synced together. Now we're going to go to our cruise control. So we turn cruise control on and off with this button right here. To set the distance or decrease it, we just go to these two buttons here. And if you want to turn the lane keep assist on or off, you have the button there. All right, and then you just turn it off. All right, now another question that I always get all the time is the power rear gate. So let's just go to the back really quick. I get this question all the time. Can I open my rear gate from inside? The answer is simply no. Only because we don't have a power rear gate, we have a manual assisted lift gate. You just push the button, slightly press up, and the hydraulics do the rest. If you want an honest dealership that you can trust and a delivery specialist who appreciates you and is here to help, come see us here at Peltier Subaru in Tyler, Texas.